While Hollywood may show process servers as shrewd undercover members of the court, wearing bizarre costumes to sneakily serve you divorce papers, we know what it's really like. And it's pretty much exactly like that, once in a while. This is Lafayette Process Servers, LLC, a podcast shining a light on the job that takes place in the shadows. What's it really like serving subpoenas, summonses, and notices? Welcome your host, owner and CEO of Lafayette Process Servers, LLC, Scott Frank.
Can process servers come to your work? Process serving is a critical part of our legal and judicial systems and vital to ensure that legal cases move forward as quickly as possible. Without proper service, you may lose valuable time waiting for someone who has been served with legal papers to appear before the court or respond to your legal matter. If this happens, you will have to wait until the next hearing date to get back into court, and this can cause delays in resolving your legal dispute. Why is a person's place of work an option for service delivery? Finding an individual at their home address can be difficult for private process servers. However, because most people spend their day at their place of work, locating their place of employment and serving legal papers to them there may be the best solution. If a process server locates a person's home address, they may come across a locked building at an apartment complex, or the person may choose not to come to the door. However, when coming to someone's place of work, they will be more likely to find the person since many offices have receptionists on duty during normal business hours. Are process servers allowed to serve you at your job? A lot of people wonder if a process server can serve legal documents at their place of work. However, most people would prefer to keep their personal issues to themselves, and would be embarrassed if their colleagues saw them receive bad news pertaining to a legal dispute. Simply put, the answer is yes. Service of process at a person's place of employment is considered valid service, and it is not necessary for them to get permission to deliver these legal documents. Most states allow process servers to legally serve anyone they want within the state's boundaries. This includes businesses, government agencies, schools, hospitals, and churches. In addition, in some states, process servers are allowed to serve any person on public property without getting prior approval from the owner, including a person's place of employment. How does a process server deliver legal papers at work? If a process server comes to your place of work, he or she will introduce themselves to the receptionist or front office and explain that they have paperwork to be delivered. Once they meet you, they will deliver the papers to you discreetly, and will talk quietly with you regarding any important information regarding your legal case. If they cannot reach you at your job, they will likely leave a message and business card with the front desk receptionist or front office to ask that you give them a call. If you do not reply or continue to dodge them, they will pursue other methods to deliver the necessary paperwork. They might try calling your employer directly to see if they know where you are located so they can personally hand over the papers. Or, they could go to your workplace's main entrance and look for you as you enter or exit the premises. Ultimately, process servers are only here to help you and to ensure that you receive all the proper documentation needed to move forward in your legal process. Avoiding service of process will only cause unnecessary delays and stress for everyone involved, including the person being served. A reputable process server will be respectful when serving at work. Process servers understand how important it is to make sure that legal matters proceed smoothly, and do not want to embarrass someone in front of their coworkers or boss. Some people may get offended when being served legal papers, so an experienced process server will make every effort to use discretion and tact. A highly reputable process server will have built his or her business through many years of a professional, respectful level of service, and will take extra care when attempting to serve legal papers at work. Hire a registered process server that delivers effective, professional service. When selecting a process server, it is essential to ask and understand the type of process services they offer, and how they successfully deliver legal documents. Whether it is to serve divorce papers for a legal proceeding or documents pertaining to a personal injury lawsuit, Baton Rouge process servers will work until the job is done. If you need a registered and professional process server with a high level of personal service, then Baton Rouge is your answer. Contact us at 1-866-237-2853 or send us an email inquiry at info@batonrouge-process-servers.com. The foregoing blog post has simply been presented for informational purposes only. He or those at Baton Rouge Process Servers LLC are not attorneys. Specific laws and guidelines will vary according to each state and jurisdiction. If you seek further information about this topic or any other legal issues, please contact a legal professional or attorney in your local area.
Thank you for listening to Lafayette Process Servers LLC with CEO and owner Scott Frank. For more information about Scott and the services available, please go to www.lafayette-process-servers.com or call 1-866-237-2853. Until next time, you've been served.